So there's this thing Canadians love called poutine, and I thought I'd beef it up. You start with one big old bag of crinkle cut fries, and then you're going to throw your beef on top of it, because this is a beefy poutine. Oops, I missed that beef. Once you get your beef on there, make sure it's spread over the top, because we're going to put a couple of gravy packets on top of the beef. Get all that powdery goodness out of there. Once you got your brownie gravy on there, you're going to do some garlic powder. It's already smelling fantastic. And then black powder. Worcestershire sauce. And last but definitely not least, we're going to throw 1 1/4 cups of beef broth. Try to make sure you're pouring it on top of the beef. A lot of people would probably do this separately in a bowl, but I don't feel like dirtying up another bowl. So go ahead and mix that around so the brown gravy and all that gets mixed together. Once you got that mixed, go ahead and put your lid on. You're going to put it on high for 1.5 hours. All right, after an hour and a half or so, go ahead and take this off. Give it a little gentle stir, get them flavors mixed around a little bit. And my favorite part, so traditionally you're going to do this with cheese curds. I couldn't find that at the store, so I'm using chunked up mozzarella. Just throw your cheese curds, aka chunked up mozzarella, over the top of your gravy, fries, beefiness. Once you got your cheese chunks, you're going to just throw a little extra shredded mozzarella on top of that for good luck. We make our own luck. Once you got that on there, we're going to cover it up and let it melt for about 10 to 15 minutes. All right, y'all, if you let that melt 10 to 15 minutes, it should look a little something like this. You Canadians know what's up. Should I just dig in?
Yeah.
All right. My first authentic Canadian meal. Nice. Let's dig in. Nope. Tastes Canadian.